Galana Kulalu alone is about 1.7 million acres. And I can confirm to you that there were attempts to grab Galana or parts of Galana, but I think we were in a position to thwart that attempt. And as we speak, Galana is in our hands. And by the way, Galana, you know, has a title deed with ADC. The title deed has not been interfered with, of the land mass the size of Nakuru County. So that is what is in the hands of ADC at one parcel. And therefore it becomes a challenge when some people who don't know their boundaries and where the boundary of Galana starts, they just encroach into it. And we have our staff on the ground who are vigilant and who always ensure that there are no encroachers or intruders into the farm. The food security component in Galana, but that one we cannot talk much about it because it doesn't come directly under ADC. The land belongs to ADC on which the food security project was being irrigated. The land was hired from ADC by another government arm called the NIA. And that component of a small portion, about 20,000 acres, is what the Galana Food Security Project is occupying. In the process of trying to assist the farmers to cope, ours is just to make sure that our field offices, in fact, many a times during the COVID pandemic, we have been working in shifts in head office. That has not been possible in the field because ADC being under food security, we did not have that privilege of telling our ground team to work in shifts because the government considers us as performing essential services.